Seeing as a lot of you are probably going to be coming to Australia now and do a stopover in Perth, we thought maybe we'd show you some like hotels and things to do in our city because we realised we do such a terrible job at showing off our hometown. If anyone's new here, this is our city. As you can see, it is insanely small. We only have a few high rises. Welcome back to Japan.
2 deep bows. Mari Kart.
It's goofy. See you back in Perth.
1 week later.
Alrighty, before we're rudely interrupted by Japan for a week, we want to keep showing you guys some fun things to do here in Perth. Alright, so we're back in the city. Famous bell tower just there. There's a lot of construction because they're building some new hotels. But we thought we'd head into Fremantle today because it is one of the most beautiful spots in Perth.
It's probably my favourite spot in Perth.
Yeah. Hi mate. Good, thanks.
Good. Welcome, watch your step.
Awesome, thank you. Don't mind the engines, but we're heading into Fremantle and we thought rather than just catching the train in, you can actually jump on these Captain Cook cruises and it's a river cruise down the Swan River. So you can get like some nice views of the city as you head down. It's like an hour 15 minutes to get into the town. To give you guys a tour, so that's our city just there. That's Kings Park, which we'll be checking out tomorrow. And then Perth is split into two. So you got the North Island here, then you got the South just here. And that's where Ashley and Heidi lives, just over the river.
Like we always do with this. Like we always do with this.
This view's the easiest way to see. So that's like the North where we live, and that's the South just down there. Because it is such a beautiful summer's day, we've decided to share a cheeky ginger beer from Matzo's, the local
I think this is like
ginger
our
beer.
new fave one. They do it in, it's from Broome. We need to go to Broome just so we can go to this brewery. It's the best. Cheers, guys.
We've actually never done a river cruise on this, so thanks to you guys, we're seeing more of our city. Because we've been here for what, 15 years and I've never done it. It's actually super nice to see the city from this angle. Like going through suburbs that we usually would drive through or never go through.
And just daydreaming about living on the river.
Yeah, we saw the expensive suburb and the houses look so nice there. One day.
One day.
Had no idea that Perth had a sand cave. Headland Grove is just there. I think we want to come out here and go to the end.
Well, it's because they said tonight's a super blue moon and the driver just said he's never seen it this low before.
Oh really?
Yeah. And there's like people walking along it.
Huh. Welcome to Freo, everybody.
So we have a tradition, every time we come to Freo, we always go to Jack and the Bean. It's our favourite cafe. So the first thing we're doing is we're going there for lunch. It is the best place to get a coffee and they have the best paninis ever.
The two best things in life. From one favourite drink to another favourite drink. Freo has like a huge art scene. This is like where I came for film school. There's also a lot of like local clothing stores which are quite unique. We're gonna see if we can find some like cheap thrift shops to show you like some of the stuff you can get down here. Never again. I love this idea. Too bad I just don't read any books. But awesome idea if you read a lot of them.
This is cool idea.
They'll just give you like 5 dot points of what it could be about. This is one that Cleo, my sister, loves because everything in store is only $10 and they have a few stores in around Perth. One day when we have a house, I'd love to get a record player and just start a little collection because my grandpa used to collect them.
You already have quite the collection,
I
don't
have
you?
quite a few,
You
yeah.
have like Frank Sinatra. Oh, and you have the Grease one?
Yeah, the Grease soundtrack.
Yeah, look, $2. We've just come down to the park and who remembers me freaking out on this Ferris wheel?
There we go down.
Swing. We've grabbed ourselves an acai bowl. We've never been here before. It's a Hana acai bowl, acai bar.
I think they're
Try
new,
it.
to be honest. That's probably why.
I know, we've never had an acai bowl in Perth before.
We're so LA right now.
Try the banana. It's
Guys,
good.
you know what? I eat so much banana that if anyone asks what my favorite fruit is, I think by like default, it has to be banana.
Rate it out of 10.
That's a good 9 out of 10 banana.
Oh, no, the acai bowl.
That's what I got was banana. It's super tasty. I'm super full though. Did we need this, Jess?
Probably not. jump back on the boat. I realised we didn't tell you how much it was, so if you want to come and do it, it's $20 one way or $40 return. I think it's a really cool way to see Perth. Alright guys, we're back in Perth and we're actually spending the next 2 nights here. We're staying at the Hotel Holiday Inn. We're staying at the Holiday Inn for the next 2 days.
Where are we staying? Is it the hotel? Is it
We
the
kept
motel?
singing it all the way here because we were excited. We're gonna go check in now and we're gonna go out for dinner tonight.
Yes.
And we have more fun plans tomorrow.
Yes.
It's been so nice. I love like whenever we come home, we want to try and see as much as Perth as we can. It's always miss it.
Guys, we're pretty much staying in the heart of the city again, which is nice. Let's see our room. Oh wow, this is massive. Oh, this is nice.
Whoa, the room is huge. Ah!
That's
Welcome
cool.
to the city, guys. There's the red cat bus. These you can take for free and you can get around the city.
I like
Oh, this
we
is
have
so
our little-
cool.
This
They've
is...
given us heaps of fruit.
Oh, that's nice. And then I'll show you the bathroom. Oh wow, this is super massive as well. Oh, that's nice. It's gonna be a fun couple of nights, yeah?
They say enjoy your travels in Perth. The team at the Holiday Inn.
So it's like quickly spending 10 minutes just putting together a bit of a vlog, and then I hear this behind me. I already know what we're ordering for dinner, like I had any say in it.
I couldn't wait, so I googled the menu. So I'm gonna have the seared salmon with spiced hummus, spinach, avocado, snow pea leaves, and charred corn with lemon and dill. And you're gonna have Malay curry with prawn, mussel, squid barramundi, traditional Bengali style sauce with ghee rice. Come on, you know I chose well. You happy?
Yeah, this actually looks pretty good. That's the salmon just over here, and this is the curry with prawns. It looks amazing.
Fun fact, Jess loves pepper.
Yeah, you're still doing it. But let's just rewind to when we first came into the restaurant. I know we didn't need starters, but I had to have some sort of order in, so we've ordered starters.
Just so you could choose something.
Yeah. So we come out to dinner at Ivy and Jack. This place is super nice. We always see it when we walk past because they have like a cafe at the front of the
And the
restaurant.
coffee always smells so
The
good.
coffee always smells good. I think we're gonna have to come check it out tomorrow for coffee because I think it's a bit late to have another coffee.
Yeah.
But it's good. I should just trust my wife every time she orders dinner. That was one of the tastiest meals we've had this week. It was so good. I highly recommend it. If you guys like live in Perth or you're visiting Perth, go check out Ivy and Jack. But this is waiting for me. We'll see you guys in the morning. Woo!
A little boxes on the hillside. A little boxes made ticky tacky. Little boxes on the hillside.